Hello there, I'm Abdur Raqeeb. So without wasting your time, according to the topic, my original video clip size was only 657 MB. When I combined them into My Camtisia software and I rendered them with the HD quality, I got 6.28 GB. It was huge for me, especially upload on YouTube. So I want to reduce its size without losing quality, and I don't want to install any software from internet. By the way, you can use this procedure any of your video which I'm gonna tell you. So very easy way. I'm gonna type video editor in my search box. It's default app in Windows 10. Here I'm going to click on new project, give any name like ABC, click OK, click add, find the location of your video and open it. Now video editor going to import that file. It took nearly 2 minutes because it has huge size. Then drag this video of the thumbnail you can play around here like giving text here, motion, filter, etc. But right now I only want to compress, so for this I am gonna click on finish video, then select the quality which you want, then click on export button. It took around 7 minutes to complete this process. Let's go to the location where it is exported. Now you can see its size, which is now 981 MB only. Let me show the comparison. I took screenshot from both videos. My left one was 6.28 GB and the right one is 981 MB. In original video you can see it's a little sharp. On the other hand, I feel slightly blur, and because of this little blur, this side it look like a little bright now. But if you see this video was reduced nearly 5.45 GB, then I think it's nothing. So that is it. Anyhow, if you like this video, kindly subscribe this channel, and thank you.